Reverse eye age. Before after. Step 1. Eye heat application for relaxation. Gently apply a hot towel to the area around the eyes to help enhance blood circulation in the eyes, relieve the tightness of the eye skin, and relax the eyes. Step 2. Gentle cleansing of the eyes. Cleanse face. Gently cleanse face with a facial cleanser. Toner, secondary cleaning plus adjusts skin's pH value. Step 3. Relaxation techniques. For relaxation, apply massage cream evenly to the face. Massage the eyes with your hands to accelerate the blood circulation in the eyes. Use the eye meridian massage stick to unblock the meridians around the eyes, and reduce dark circles and puffiness. Step 4. Eye tightening and lifting. Make circular motions from the eyes downwards to the temples. Lift from the eyes downwards to the temples. Perform the lifting operation on the brow ridges. Make the lifting movement from the brow ridges towards the forehead. The other side is the same as above. Cleanse the eye with a cleansing wipe. Apply the gel evenly to the eye area. Apply the stamping technique from the eye corner to the temple. Operate on the forehead in a stamping motion. The other side is the same as above. Step 5. Repair and protection for finishing. Apply eye mask. Put on gauze, apply the hydrating and moisturizing eye mask. Remove the eye mask and cleanse the eye area. Apply toner and eye cream.